Seasons of Europe, a journey through time and beauty. Get ready to be inspired as we guide you through the ever-changing beauty of Europe by season. Spring awakening. As winter's slumber bids adieu, Europe comes alive with a symphony of colors. Picture this: wandering through tulip fields in the Netherlands, dancing under cherry blossoms in Paris, and partaking in the vibrant festivals of Spain. Spring is nature's grand awakening, and Europe is the stage. Summer serenity. Summer, when the sun reigns supreme and Europe basks in its golden glow. Picture yourself on Mediterranean beaches, savoring gelato in the streets of Rome and dancing to the tunes of lively festivals. Summer in Europe is a celebration, a sizzling fiesta of life under the open sky. Autumn symphony. Autumn is a time of harvest and tranquility. Wander through the vineyards of Bordeaux, where the air is filled with the aroma of ripening grapes, the colorful foliage of the Black Forest in Germany, and the rolling hills of Tuscany create a picturesque backdrop for your European escape. Winter wonderland. When winter blankets the continent in a hush of snow, Europe transforms into a mesmerizing wonderland. Ski down the pristine slopes of the Alps, wander through the enchanting Christmas markets in Vienna, and cozy up by the fire in a Swiss chalet. Winter in Europe is a storybook tale come to life. Discover the allure of every European corner, a continent painting beauty in all seasons. Good vibes only.
Like, share, and subscribe for more destination vibes.